What if we all lived our lives on purpose? Doing work that invigorated our souls, lifted our spirits, and inspired the next generation. Just imagine a world where we were less concerned about paying bills and more focused on paying it forward. A world where our minds were not so occupied with putting food on the table, but more emboldened, more empowered to discovering innovative ways to build those tables. A world where our creative energies fueled a better tomorrow, not only for ourselves, but for the communities in which we live. Some believe we can. Some believe we will. We believe we are. Subscribe to Girl Tank Magazine today. Get inspired by the beautiful and powerful journeys of female social entrepreneurs from around the world who are paving the way, going the distance, doing the do, and already making good happen.